Today we're going to show you this 2022 Ford Bronco we did in full matte paint protection film from KAVACA. This thing turned out great. We're going to give you guys a walk around and show you the meticulous detail that goes into a professionally installed matte paint protection film that you can get right here at Ceramic Pro Wiregrass in Dothan. So we completely disassembled the Bronco. Some things that you will see is actually still being put back together, like the tail lights we're putting back on, and the window seals that go on top of the doors. We took off the door handles, the door guards, the mirrors, the fenders. The back one's actually still off because we're still working on that back quarter panel, but we're about 90% done with this thing and it looks amazing. So come check out the door jamb right here. I want y'all to see that it was gloss before. So you can see it went from a gloss finish, which all of these edges are wrapped. It went from a gloss finish to now a matte finish that you can see on this door right here. The trails will not damage this Bronco now, and it's actually going to go out next month to an event in Texas, so it's going to be ready for sure. We top it off with our Ceramic Pro coating. The film is self-healing. It's got a 12-year warranty on it. It's a nationwide warranty, transferable if you sell it, and it goes on the vehicle's Carfax report. We also did a Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper on the wheels and the barrels. We did full KAVACA IR window tint on the windows, and we ceramic coated the glass as well. So this Bronco is getting quite a bit of work. You can see our technician back here putting the taillights back on that are fully covered in gloss paint protection film, because of course we didn't want to put the matte on the rear, so that's what we have the clear paint protection film for. So if we can help you out, come down and see us at 1210 West Main Street or give us a call, 334-405-1129. Thank you.